What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the BumpOut. Now they're saying that this is the world's most powerful pocket-sized Bluetooth speaker. That's a big title, but we're gonna find out. Now as you can tell, I've got two of these, not only because they can pair together and you can have like a stereo sound, but I'm also gonna be giving one of these away. So stick around to the end of the video to find out how you can win one. All right, so first off, they're saying it's water and dust resistant. It's only 117 grams or 4.1 ounces. It's running off of Bluetooth 4.2. They have the expansion technology, which that's a really interesting feature about this, and I'll get into that once we open it up. And then they have the coin technology, which is really just an adhesive coin. One side is adhesive and you stick it on whatever, the back of your phone, a laptop, and then you can attach the speaker to it. It has a 700 milliamp hour battery, gives you 10 hours of continuous playtime with only an hour to charge. Oh, there's the little coins that they're talking about. It's made out of plastic, it looks like, and then on the back it's got the adhesive, but nothing crazy important about these other than you use this to stick it on things. But it comes with 3 of them. Ooh, look at that. Oh wow, that is pretty small. Okay, and then you come with the cable. It's like about a foot long USB to micro USB cable. All right, so there it is. That's the whole thing. It's pretty small. You can see on the back here, I'm guessing, yeah, that's the release button. So it actually clips onto one of these. So if you want to take it with you, maybe with your laptop or something, you can just always have that on the back of your laptop and just slap that on there. You've got your controls here. Okay, so that's a special button. I'm not gonna say anything about that yet. Then you get your power button, you get your volume up and down, and that's previous and next track. I'm guessing these are the LED lights, and I believe that might be the microphone. And right here on the side, that's where your micro USB port is, and that's for charging. It's got a metal grill. It feels pretty sturdy. There's no rattle or anything like that. You can kind of see the speakers in there. Now they're pretty small speakers, but they're saying with this special button, what'd they call it again? Expansion technology button. The bass generated is equivalent to speakers twice its size. Let's power it on. There it is, the BumpOut. Now before I hit this magic button here with the expansion technology, I wanna listen to it first. Is it up? It's all the way up. Oh, my phone's not. Wow. The sound is a little shallow, but wait. This is supposed to change everything. This is supposed to be the game changer. That was cool. So what that's supposed to do is take it up a notch. Let's play it again, and I'm gonna do it while it's playing so we can hear the difference. Here we go. This is with it off. Here we go. They weren't lying. Man, this is a powerful little speaker. You know what? Just for fun, let's try a little bass boosted. I don't want to blow these little speakers, so I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Okay, so like extreme low bass is not gonna happen, and these speakers are pretty small, but wow, I'm pretty impressed. You know what? I'm gonna do one more thing. So I'm gonna do just my phone speaker so you can hear the difference all the way up. Okay? That's not bad. All right, let's make a phone call. Let's check out the speakerphone real quick. Let's call Jesse.
Hello, bro.
Hello?
Hello?
Whoa, hold on. Okay, talk now?
Hello?
Whoa, that's really loud. Let me turn it down just a little bit.
Here I am, this is me.
There we go. Okay, that sounds good. Can you hear me all right?
Yeah, I can hear you pretty good.
Oh, okay, cool. Sound like I'm on something, or sound like you're on speakerphone?
There's a little bit of an echo. It's manageable.
Okay, cool. Tell me if you can hear this.
It sounded like it did something like a mechanical buzzer.
Yeah, okay. It's really small though, but it's powerful.
Well, it doesn't sound like something you think would fit in the palm of your hand.
Huh, that's good to know. There we go. $100 is kind of expensive for a speaker, but I will say this, when a new technology comes out, no matter what it is, it's always pretty expensive. I personally haven't seen this before. It's good. It's really good. I've tested out speakers that were bigger than this that sounded similar to this. It projects sound really well, and this doesn't get old. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Highs, mids, and lows. I'm gonna say highs and mid, 5 being what you would expect, and I expected it to just not sound this good at all. I would say an 8 across the board. You know, highs, mids, and lows, an 8. It sounds really good for this size speaker. I would say it sounds this good for a speaker of this size. Definitely check it out. Either way, I am gonna be giving one of these away. I am definitely keeping this for myself. I'll leave a link down below to Rafflecopter. For those who know, I switched from Gleam.io because they're scammy over to Rafflecopter, which seems to be pretty cool. We also have another giveaway still going on. The minimum requirement is to subscribe to the channel. You get 2 points. If you're already subscribed to the channel, click it anyway. It'll verify and you'll get the entry. There's other entries in there that'll increase your odds of winning. Again, I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.